Before I had LASIK, I was minus 450 after myope, so I was very nearsighted. Pretty much had to hold things this close if I had my glasses off. And you know, I've been thinking about LASIK for a couple of years now, but I didn't want to, you know, take that plunge yet. And so I decided and came to the best surgeon, Dr. Galanis. I've known him for a couple of years, and I decided to take the plunge. And I'm very happy. I guess if I had, pretty much to sum it up, if I had another set of eyes, I would do it again in a heartbeat. It's very nice now, like, just to be able to wake up, see the clock, and especially driving, just to be able to see the street sign when I'm driving. And with, because I had the custom LASIK, I really don't have any problems with glares or halo at night because I can still see the street sign very clearly, and it gets better. Every day it gets better. So, as far as pain, there was not a lot of pain. It just felt like a pressure. And probably the worst part of it was just when we took the tape off of the eyelids, but otherwise there was no pain. I was numbed up pretty good. If you are in the eye care industry, you tend to, I mean, you're more careful of what you pick, because you know, you see the patients and you recommend something to the patient. I've had the procedure done and I love it, and you know, it's just, I'm not telling you from a second-hand perspective or just from someone telling me, but I've actually had the procedure done, and I can testify that it works, and I'm happy with it, and that makes me more comfortable, you know, telling my patient or recommending the procedure to my patients. So, when I went home, I took a nap for 3 hours, and by the time I woke up, things were a little bit blurry, but the clock was in focus, so I could see the numbers on the clock, which I couldn't see before. And so I just kept my eyes closed, took another nap, and the next day I was able to drive myself into the office for my first day post-op. So that was very exciting. There was no pain, and as far as and there was no discomfort really. And I mean, I just had this huge smile driving to the office. As far as the vision right now, it's very good, because yesterday we took the measurement and I was already 20/15. The best thing is to pick your surgeon carefully, you know, because I know there's a lot of ads out there with $299 LASIK, but you have to read the fine print, and you want a surgeon that specializes in refractive surgery. And since I've known Dr. Galanis for a couple of years, and I've actually seen him performing the surgery on most patients, and it's just my comfort level and the results I see those patients come in with, it was phenomenal. So decided to pick Dr. Galanis.